When Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, first began calling people to Islam, he used to preach in secret. First, his closest people accepted Islam, such as his wife, Khadija, may Allah be pleased with her, his friend Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him, and some of his companions. At this time, the companions would sit in small groups and learn about faith, monotheism, and the hereafter. At the age of 40, the Prophet, peace be upon him, would worship in the Cave of Hira. One night, Allah Almighty revealed the first revelation. Jibreel, peace be upon him, came and said, "Iqra, read." This was the beginning of Islam. When Islam began to spread, the Quraysh began to persecute the companions. For example, Bilal, may Allah be pleased with him, was made to lie down on hot sand, but he would say, "Ahad, Ahad." This was a great test of faith. When the situation in Mecca became difficult, the Prophet, peace be upon him, migrated to Medina at the command of Allah. The companions left everything and set out for the path of Allah. This was the turning point of Islam. After going to Medina, the Prophet, peace be upon him, created brotherhood between the Muhajirin and the Ansar. An Ansar shared his wealth with his Muhajirin brother. This was a remarkable example of Islam. The Prophet, peace be upon him, used to pray to Allah in difficult times. For example, before the Battle of Badr, he prayed all night, "O Allah, if this group is destroyed, then there will be no worship of you on earth." The Prophet, peace be upon him, perfected Islam at the end of his life. Thousands of companions embraced Islam, and Islam spread throughout Arabia. This was the story of the establishment of a complete religion.
O Allah, guide us all.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to S.T.B Islamic Journey and stay connected with Islamic knowledge.